डेफिनेटली अगर यही क्वेश्चन किया जाता है कि डू यू वांट टू बी द जर्नलिस्ट इन फ्यूचर, और आप उनको आंसर करते हैं कि यस, तो दे कैन आस्क यू, डू यू नो व्हाट इज़ द येलो जर्नलिज्म? तो आप में से कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको पता है कि व्हाट इज़ द येलो जर्नलिज्म? तो will you be able to give the answer of this? If you are going for Viva, you should be ready for the relevant questions according to your field. As one more question they can ask, do you feel you can come in front of camera? And they can even ask, do you feel you are not camera shy? Then you are giving the answer no. And if you are giving the answer no, I'm not camera shy, and at the spot you are feeling your shyness, will it be good or not? You have to think about it. And अब इतना भी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट अपने आप को शो नहीं करना कि इट मे नॉट लुक लाइक एज यू शुड शो इट. One more question is generally asked when you were assigned a supervisor for your thesis and report research, etc. How do you feel with your supervisor? What was your experience? How you will explain your experience with your supervisor? So you should be ready for this question, and you should be ready with the specific answer. Definitely you have to defend it in a very positive way. कि आपके साथ आपका सुपरवाइज़र के साथ जो टाइम जो था स्पेंड हुआ जो है रिसर्च के दरमियान, और उस दरमियान जो भी सिचुएशन रही, बिकॉज दिस इज़ डिस्टेंस लर्निंग प्रोग्राम, तो आपने इस चीज़ को भी बड़े अच्छे से डिफेंड करना है और बड़ा पॉजिटिव आपने अपना जो है आंसर रखना है, बजाय इसके कि उस किस्म के आंसरिंग शुरू कर दें जो उमूमन गॉसिपिंग जो है डिफरेंट एरियाज़ में स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं. दैट विल नॉट लुक नाइस. एंड वन मोर थिंग, व्हाट आर योर फीलिंग्स आफ्टर योर submission of research report or submission of your thesis, as you have first time done this research and you have submitted your research report by your name and your thesis by your name, so you should be ready for the relevant proper answer of this question. Now after general question, let's come to the second part of your Viva questions. Now you have to be ready with 5 W's and 1 H. For 5 W's and 1 H, you have to working on the main topic which you have selected yourself. That topic was in your synopsis and it was in your research. Whether it's a thesis or whether it's a project report, you must be ready with the topic which you have selected yourself. Now the very first question is, you have chosen this topic for your research. How do you think it will give benefits to the society? Your research work done by you and you have written your thesis or your report, what will be the benefit for the future scholars? You should be having a proper answer of this question according to your chosen topics. And the second part can be, how do media ethics apply to your project or your thesis? So get ready for preparing the answer of this question as well. And after the discussion about your selected topic, about your research work, whether it can be a thesis, whether it can be a project, whether it can be article writing, whether it can be YouTube channels or any your research work done by you, the selected topic discussion will be ending now. Now the next question about your research work will be started from here. Now you have to listen this very carefully. You have to pick the question from here, and you have to try to get the answers of these specific questions. And if any student wants to get the answer according to the question, can comment below. We will be giving you the answer as per your requirement, inshallah. Now you have to prepare for the answer of this question. Summarize your work. Now this question is in front of you. You are sitting for Viva. Summarize your work. Actually, this Viva is a oral examination, and this is a conversation of scholars. So sitting on a table with the conversation with the scholars, you have to get ready to summarize your work, because they will assess you about your academics, and they will test your work, and they will test you, are you able to be a scholar. They have to check your understanding, your methodology, your theoretical work, your contribution to the research work. So you have to get ready for the answer, and you have to get ready to do the conversation with the scholars at this stage. ये डेफिनेटली जो है वो स्कॉलर्स होते हैं जो आपसे औरल आपका एग्जामिनेशन कर रहे होते हैं, वो तो आपको असेस कर रहे होते हैं कि आपका जो वर्क है वो आपने किस तरह से किया है और उसमें उसको आप किस तरह समराइज़ कर रहे हैं, आपका जो एकेडमिक्स हैं वो किस लेवल की हैं, और आपने जो रिसर्च की है उसकी मेथडोलॉजी और उसमें जो आपने थ्योरिकल वर्क किया है वो सब आपको जो है आप किसी को वो क्लियर करके जो है उसको स्पेसिफिकली आप समराइज़ करके इसको बयान कर सकते हैं कि नहीं। तो इसके लिए आप अपने किए हुए रिसर्च वर्क को दोबारा से जो है रीड कीजिए और उसके जो की आंसर्स हैं वो चेक कीजिए, दैट देन यू मे बी अ कॉन्फिडेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टीम ऑफ द स्कॉलर कन्वर्सेशन. Now the next question is, explain your methodology. If you have done your research work yourself, you will be able to give the proper specific answer, and if your research work is not done by you, maybe it's by AI or you have get from any expert paid team, you will not be able to explain this answer. So get ready to answer this question and prepare the answer properly and specifically to your supervisor's team. Now the next answer you have to prepare of this question, explain your methodology. If your research work is done by you purely, you will be able to answer this question, and if your research work is done by AI or you have got it from paid professional, then you will not be able to answer this question. So prepare the answer of this question if you have done your work yourself or it is done by anyone else or if it is done by AI. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपके टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन बताए जाएंगे और चैप्टर 4 के आंसर कैसे देने हैं वो डिस्कस किया जाएगा. नाउ वॉच द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.